Vanakkam and pranams to everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Diwakar. I am running a YouTube channel called Tip of the Iceberg. I have 29 years of experience as a social science teacher. During my tenure as a teacher, I have carried out so many innovative activities in the classroom. If I have to list three of my professional milestones, the first is the release of two books, and both the books revolve around innovative methods of teaching history and civics. The second one is designing of the social science lab manual, and third one is converting the entire content of Indian freedom movement into a poetry. The last but not the least is NECTAR. Now, new education policy in short is called NEP. I have come up with two ideas. One is called NECTAR, the other one is called Civic Pulse. From Nectar, if I take the first two alphabets, it is NE, and from Civic Sense, if I take the first alphabet, it is C. So NEC is a big step towards NEP, National Education Policy. Let me tell you what is it all about. History is the study of human slips and steps. Before children develop fascination for the subject, many of them develop aversion. That is because of the manner in which the subject has been taught over the years. Everything boils down to approach. CBC does have KTPI for 11th and 12th, but for classes 5 to 10, the Indianness is minimal. The feeling of Indianness which the students get by going through the history textbooks or by listening to the history lectures is minimal. So, keeping this in mind, I have come up with a concept called NECTAR. NECTAR stands for Nationalistic Ethos, comprising of tradition and revival. This will add more value to the subject. Let us always keep in mind that till the value addition book arrives, value addition is of paramount importance. So, keeping this in mind, I have designed something known as Nectar. This will not add to the burden as far as children are concerned. In fact, this provides a perfect platform for them to know what the history textbooks are not talking about. If any school is interested to promote this in their school without burdening the children, feel free to contact me. I'll be happy to help you out in this regard. Thank you once again.